Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making something truly delicious. A rice with fish, a dish that's simple, healthy and full of amazing flavor. Whether you love seafood or just want to try something new, this recipe will make your taste buds happy. You don't need to be a chef, just follow my easy steps and you will have a perfect meal ready in no time. So grab your ingredients and let's start cooking together. Cooking rice with fish is one of the most comforting and flavorful meals you can make. It's a perfect combination of soft rice and tender fish cooked with spices that brings out the best aroma and taste. Let's go step by step so you can easily make this delicious dish at home. First of all, some ingredients you will need. To start, gather these simple ingredients. 2 cups of basmati or long grain rice, 500 grams of fish, any kind you like, tilapia, rohu or cod, 2 medium onions finely salted, 2 tomatoes chopped, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. It's optional for spice lovers. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 3 cups of water, fresh coriander and lemon slices for garnish. Prepare the fish. First, wash the fish pieces properly with clean water. Pat them dry with a paper towel. Add a little salt, turmeric and chili powder to the fish and mix well. This helps remove any smell and adds flavor. Let it sit for about 10 minutes while you prepare the other ingredients. In a frying pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, place the fish pieces gently into the pan. Fry each side for about 3 to 4 minutes until the fish turns golden brown. Remove them from the pan and keep aside. Cook the rice base in another deep pan or pot. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil heats up, add cumin seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds. Then add the sliced onions and cook until they become soft and golden brown. Now add the ginger garlic paste and stir for a minute until the raw smell disappears. And chop tomatoes and cook until they turn soft and mix well with the onions. Next, add the spices, turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt. Stir everything nicely until the mixture becomes thick and aromatic. Add rice and fish together. Now wash your rice 2 or 3 times until the water runs clear. Add the rice to the pot and mix it gently with the onion tomato mixture. Stir for 1 to 2 minutes to coat the rice with flavor. Then pour in 3 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, lower the flame and gently place the fried fish pieces on top of the rice. Cover the top with a lid and let it cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Avoid stirring during this time because the fish pieces might break. When the rice has absorbed all the water and turned soft and fluffy, turn off the flame. Let it rest for another 5 minutes with the lid on. This helps all the flavors mix beautifully. Garnish and serve Carefully open the lid and use a fork to fluff the rice gently. You will smell the perfect blend of fish, spices, and rice. Mouth-watering. Garnish your dish with the freshly chopped coriander and lemon slices. You can serve rice with fish, with salad, yogurt, or a spicy chutney. It's great for lunch, dinner, or even for guests. This dish is not just tasty but also very healthy. Fish provides protein and omega-3 fats, while rice gives you energy, a perfect balanced meal. And that's how easy it is to make rice with fish, simple, quick, and full of flavor. You don't need the fancy ingredients or expert skills, just love for good food and a little patience. Try this recipe at home and share it with your family and friends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes every week. This is amazing food, amen, cooking made easy for everyone. See you in the next video.